Now that you've made puppets, maybe you want some ideas for what to do with them. There are many things you can do with your puppets. For example, you could put on some music and have your puppets dance. You could retell the story that you read in a book. You could tell the story of what you did today. Or you can come up with a new story of your own. And I want to share with you my super secret, super simple story solution formula. Here's how it works. Step 1, you have a puppet character and you come up with a problem for that character that needs to be solved. Maybe they have the hiccups. Maybe they can't remember where they put their shoes. Maybe they can't decide what gift to give to their friend for their birthday. Any problem will do. Second, you come up with 3 solutions to that problem that won't work. And finally, you come up with a solution that will work. Let's see that super secret, super simple story solution in action. And now the story of the pirate with the hiccups.
Arr, oh, ho, ho, yo, ho, oh, oh. Arr, I have the hiccups. Arr, I have to make me R's. But I can't make me R's if I have the hiccups. Arr, what am I gonna do? Arr, bubblegum. Oh, hey, what's up? Arr, I have the hiccups. Uh-oh, you have the hiccups? Arr, I do. And I can't get rid of them. How do I fix my problem? Why don't you try chewing bubble gum? Arr, all right, I'll get some bubble gum. Arr, I think it worked. I don't have the hiccups. I'll try my R's again. Arr, arr. Oh, sorry, that didn't work. Arr. Now what am I gonna do? I still have hiccups. Arr. Bloop, 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 bloop. Arr, hello, fishy. I have the hiccups. Bloop. What should I do? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Arr, you say? I should blow the bubbles? Bloop, bloop. Arr, I'll give it a try. Arr, I think it worked. Let me practice me R's. Arr, arr. Bloop, bloop. Yeah, I know you tried. Bloop, 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 bloop. Arr. I still have me hiccups, and I can't practice me R's. Arr. Hey there. What's going on today? Arr. I have the hiccups, and I can't solve my problem. I still have the hiccups. Did you try standing on your head and counting to 10? Arr, I'll give her a try. Arr. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arr. I think it worked. I don't have my hiccups anymore. Arr. Oh, sorry. That usually works for me. Arr. What am I gonna do? I can't go to the Arr competition if I'm every time I Arr, I hiccup. Arr. Hey, I know how to solve the problem. Ready? On 3, we're going to shout boo. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Ah! Oh, yo, you startled me. Arr, arr, arr. I'm so startled. Arr, arr. Hey, it worked. My hiccups, they're gone. I knew it. It just took a little scaring. Arr. Thanks so much, Bubblegum. I'm going to the Arr competition now, and arr, I'm gonna win. Arr, 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 arr. Huh, another problem solved. Uh-oh.
So what did you think of that story? That was a neat problem to have, having the hiccups. And all of the solutions didn't work until we had a funny ending where another character got the hiccups. There are so many ways to use that formula, and I hope you have a lot of fun this summer making puppets and putting on shows.